Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, I want to tell you about the another concept of prompting, that is nothing but perspective prompting. So what is this perspective prompting? For example, let's say that I will show you directly with a simple example. For example, let's say that I want to have a 3-day travel plan trip to New Delhi. So how you will try to do? So here I will be asking the ChatGPT. So I need a 3-day travel plan trip to New Delhi. Okay. So I want to have a 3-day travel. So here we need to write it like this. So here we can ask like this, or otherwise we can say create a new 3-day travel plan trip to New Delhi. So let's try to see how it will try to plan. Let's click on this one. So it is trying creating a 3 days. So here day first what you need to do, and day 2, day 3, so how you need to do. So like this it is giving. So let it try. So it is giving all the 3 days how you need to plan. So like this it is giving. So it's very nice, right? So tomorrow whenever you are planning for any trip or anything, so you can ask ChatGPT and ChatGPT will plan according to this one. So here it has given fine. Now what I want to do is, so this is a perspective that ChatGPT is planning as a 3-day travel plan trip to New Delhi. Let's say that from Hyderabad. We'll try to see from Hyderabad. Now what it will try to do? So here first from catching the morning flight like this everything. So arrive in New Delhi. So check out your hotel like this. Okay. So here like this. So it is planning everything. Cultural immersion, everything. So whatever the thing you want to do, day 1, day 2, day 3, everything it is planning. So tomorrow if you are planning for any trip or anything, means you can plan it like this with ChatGPT. Now I think by seeing this one, you are getting wide variety of thoughts in your mind how we can use this ChatGPT. So now it is planning according to this one. So now this is one perspective. So what is this perspective? It has no perspective. Just it is creating a standard way of travel plan list. So this is one perspective. Now we can give another perspective. For example, let's say that I am a tourist guide. Okay. So I am a tourist guide. So now now I need to tell to the ChatGPT that you need to think that you are a tourist guide and you need to develop 3-day tourist trip from New Delhi to New Delhi from Hyderabad for 5 people or anything, something like that. So here we can say here I can write something like you are a tourist guide. Okay, tourist guide, create a new 3-day tourist trip or anything, tourist plan, anything, whatever the thing, tourist plan to New Delhi from Hyderabad for 5 people or anything. So now the entire perspective will change. So now the ChatGPT will give you the plan according to the what I can say is according to the tourist guide. So now here it is telling you how we can plan according to the tourist guide. So this is how it will planning. So now you can give the perspective. So whatever the perspective you want, you can give it to the ChatGPT. Now the ChatGPT will plan according to this one. Okay. So that is how it will be doing. So now first one is that doesn't have any perspective. Now it has a perspective that it is a tourist guide. So we can ask so many things like let's say that write about pros and cons of flights. Okay. So now I am asking the advantage of and disadvantage of flights. So now it is giving you the pros, and also in the same scenario it will also give you the disadvantages also. So the ChatGPT can take the 2 ways. So this is how we can use the ChatGPT. So now this is called as a perspective prompting. So now you will be assigning a role, something like it's a role only. You are assigning a role and you are asking the ChatGPT to prepare this one, to prepare the data response. So this is called as an perspective planning. So now I will try to, so before closing of this session, so I want to write some data. So I want to create a CV. CV means modern CV, resume. I want to create a resume. So let's try to create it. So now here I will create. So here I am writing. So now I am giving a role. You are an experienced web developer, okay, and has vast knowledge in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so this is the role I have given. Now I want to create, create a modern CV. Create a modern CV website. We need to have a website. So HTML thing. So below are the following details. So just I will write all the details. So now create a modern CV HTML. Anything website or also HTML only, right? So now first one, main header. I want to have a main header with image and my name. My name is Leela webdev. So we will have it like this. And the second one is a section about my experience. So we can write it like this. And what is this experience is? So let's say that department head. We will write it whatever we want. Department head, company 1. So we have worked in 2019 to 2022. Let's assume. And here I worked as lead developer. Okay. Now here I will be writing from 2015 to 2019, and here this one will be a company 2. Let's assume company 2, and the another one is, let's say, developer, so basic junior developer, and we are working in company 3, and here 2010 to 2015. So this is the experience we will be writing for this one. So fine, right? Now what I want to do, so this is completed, and I want to have a second one, so a third one, a section. So we are writing about my skills. So I want to write about my skills. So that one is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So which I have about 15 years of experience. Okay, 15 years experience. So this one is one thing, and another one which I want is Node.js experience, which I have 6 years experience. So this is the thing which we need to write it. I want my skills highlighted with styling. Okay, so I want my skills highlighted with styling. Now give me the HTML code, HTML and CSS code in one file. So otherwise it will give CSS and all those things in separate file. For this minimal CV or website with the above mentioned details. Okay, so this is the input I am trying to give. So what I am trying to give, so just I am giving the role that you are an experienced web developer and have a vast knowledge in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Create a modern CV website. Below are the following. First, it needs to contain a main header, image and my name, and the next section is about my experience. I have given the experience, and section about my skills, and give me the HTML code I am trying to tell. So let's click on this one. So it will be preparing the data. So now it has started writing the CSS code. So it is going on writing the CSS code. So by the time what we will try to do is HTML online compiler. So we will try to search for this HTML online compiler, and this one is not looking nice. We'll go to here and we'll paste this file into HTML and we'll see the output for this one. Okay, here we'll try to see, and let's see. So it has given the entire HTML and CSS. So let's try to copy this code Okay, and here I will paste it entire thing, and you'll see so it has given you the minimal. So now we can paste your image tag here, link here, and this is how it will be giving you. So now what is the main thing left out is, so you need to provide the correct input to the ChatGPT and it will give you the possible better response for you. So just I have given you a simple example how you can prepare your CV in the ChatGPT. Hope you understood about this concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.